Hello, James here with DirtCheapHealth.com. I put up this website to give you some free information. There's nothing, I'm not charging for anything on this website, trying to sell you anything. All my information's free. I'm not trying to sell vitamins or anything, but for the better part of a decade, I had terrible migraines, 4 of them a month sometimes, just endless. And I finally figured it out, and in fact, now I have no migraines. And any little thing could set it off. Probably the most powerful thing to contribute towards me having a migraine is the smell of cigarettes. I could just get a whiff of cigarettes and my right eye would start pounding. Terrible. Wind can change direction. Front could move in. Anything of that nature. And all of a sudden I would have a headache. Drink beer and drink a Bud and a Bud Light, or a Bud and a Michelob Ultra or something like that. Switching back and forth between brands, instant headache, or if I drank a shot of tequila and a gin and tonic, headache. So very sensitive to that. Any little thing would set it off, and I'd be in just god-awful pain for 2 to 4 days, sometimes as much as 6. So I was doing some research because it had just got so bad. And I'm going to show you this product I found. But again, I don't charge for anything on this website. I do have a services page, and I do advertise some of the online services that I provide. I've been doing for 17 years, and really since the internet began. But anyhow, that's not the purpose of me to sell you anything, but just to show you this. But anyhow, I was doing some research on migraine headaches, and I came upon this. This is magnesium theraunite. And magnesium theraunite is kind of a newer kind of magnesium, and it gets in your brain. And I read an article by a doctor, and he was talking about how magnesium, because it gets into your brain, it can help with migraine headaches to relieve inflammation, and so you're just less sensitive to those things. And in fact, ever since I've been on this, and this is only like 22, 23 bucks on Amazon, and you can go buy more expensive stuff. It's 30, 40, you can fill up to 50 bucks, but there's no difference in it because it's all made by the same company, but private labeled out to 10 different others. So it's all the same. So I buy the cheapest one, 22, 23 bucks for a month's supply to not have a headache, to not have migraines. Wow, what a deal. I would hawk my TV set to buy it. So anyhow, ever since I've been on this, I do go into smoke. I don't smoke, but I do go into smoky environments because I sing and play guitar and such. And so I go into bars, and even though I don't like the smell of cigarettes and all that kind of stuff, I still, when I'm around cigarettes, I do not get headaches. I went out to, more than one time, I've went out and I've drank multiple different brands of beers, and just to test it, and I drank a big shot of tequila, 5 shots or 5 gin and tonics, woke up the next day, wow, no headache. So everything that normally sets my headaches off I've been around since I've been on the magnesium theraunite and theraunite, whatever it is, and no headaches. So I am sure my situation, my medical situation with my headaches is resolved. So I thought I'd put up this video and this website to give you some information. And again, you can buy this stuff on Amazon pretty cheap, and it's a month's supply. And hopefully it will get rid of your migraines. Again, go to my service page on my website, DirtCheapHealth.com, and let me know if it gets rid of your headaches, because so far everyone that I've referred this to that's had headaches, it has cleared up their headaches as well. So I hope it helps.